What are El Salvador pupusas? Pupusas are a traditional dish from El Salvador and are similar to a corn pancake with bean and cheese or meat filling. They are similar to a flatbread or pancake that is made with corn flour, masa, and can be filled with a variety of different savory fillings, like cheese, beans, beef, or veggies.
The recipe requires approximately 3 cups of water, but the amount needed may vary depending on how the dough forms. Add the water gradually and assess the necessary amount.
Discover the wonderful flavors of Salvadoran cuisine with Curtido, a delicious slaw or relish made with cabbage, sweet onion, carrot, oregano, and vinegar. For those who enjoy a bit of spice, jalapeno can be added to the mix. With time, the flavors intensify, and the taste becomes even more exquisite, but it can also be enjoyed fresh on the same day it's made. Get creative and add green onion and cilantro for an extra burst of flavor. Please exercise caution when adding oregano to your dish. The longer it is allowed to sit, the more potent the flavor will become. To fully preserve the freshness of your vegetables, it is recommended to generously coat them with an ample amount of vinegar. After which, it is advisable to let the vinegar settle on the vegetables for roughly 5 minutes. Once the time is up, carefully strain the excess liquid, leaving only a minimum of ½ inch or less of it at the bottom of the bowl. This will ensure that your vegetables remain crisp and flavorful, perfect for any dish.